Hey everyone, this is Dr. Alex Tubio. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, if you could like, comment, and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Today we are here with my good friend Ken, and we are going to be going through an adjustment with him. He's one of my patients from beforehand. Well, I guess now too, but all right. So let's get started. Come in closer. Oh, that was good. Yeah. Come around this way. Good. On your back. Yeah. Scoot down a little bit. Let your arms just relax. Place your hands on your stomach. I'm going to lift this up a little bit. Good, don't help me, just relax a little bit more. Good. Oh, that was good. Now, on your side facing me. Bend this knee. Good. Keep this one straight. Okay. Relax right here. Good. Sweet. Let your legs. Good. You're all set, man.
Sweet. Thank you, man.
Yeah. How do you feel?
Pretty good.
Good. All right. So there is not. All right. So there isn't a lot of talking, but sometimes I just like to adjust, see exactly what's going on with them, and just feel for it. All right. So until next time, guys. Hold on a time.
Ken, smile.
All right. So thank you guys for watching. That was an adjustment with Ken here. Follow him on Instagram at ken.singsong. Follow his really, really great pictures. That's right, right?
Yep.
Yeah, that's right. All right, so until next time, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you like this content. We'll see you guys later.